Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to turn on and use Siri on your Mac, so you can start using voice commands to ask questions or get things done hands-free. Before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, it really helps out the channel. Thanks, let's get started. On your Mac, click the Apple icon in the top left corner of the screen, then select System Settings from the drop-down menu. Once you're in System Settings, scroll down and look for Apple Intelligence and Siri, or it may just be labeled Siri, depending on your Mac OS version. Go ahead and click on that. Now, under Siri Requests, simply toggle Siri on, and confirm by clicking Enable. Next, you'll have the option to choose how Siri listens. You can say, "Hey Siri," or just Siri. Or you can press and hold the microphone key on your keyboard to activate Siri manually. Once enabled, you can try something like, "What's the weather today?" Siri will respond right away with the information. You can also customize Siri further, change the language, select a different voice, or adjust other preferences to make it more personal. That's it. You're all set to start using Siri on your Mac. If this tutorial helped, give it a like and drop a comment if you have any questions. I'm happy to help.